Hey guys, so I just dropped off my sisters at Tap Bar, but there is a 25 minutes wait time. I do have to go to Kingston Kitchen. It's 5:41, so I left them there. I'll have to go back to Tap Bar another day because 25-minute wait time, then wait time to get food, then all of that is gonna, you know, drive into my bottom line, and it's already 1:45. Now Kingston Kitchen finishes at 11, but I want to catch it to sunlight for video and thing, so I'm gonna head there right about now. So that is what I'm doing. I'm heading out and going to go video, or going to Kingston Kitchen right now, so I can get some good, you know, videos and catch it to light before it get dark out and thing. I know it's sun is setting a little bit later since it's summer, but you know, I'm leaving Devon House right about now. No man, outside hot. It's hot. Oh my word. And I never bring no water with me. Should I bring a bottle of water, because God sees and God knows the place is hot. So anyways, so I'm heading to Kingston Kitchen now, exiting Devon House. So I'll see you guys when I reach. So I made it to Kingston Kitchen. Parking, terrible. Signage, atrocious. I rebuke it. Yes.
Alright, show them this so you can get your band.
Okay. Thank you. Hey friends, voiceover Nella here. So the place was pretty noisy, as you can imagine, with a lot of background music. I showed you a bit before on entry, but yeah, it was noisy. So this is the aerosol spritz booth where you could get drinks, beverages, mixed drinks, fruit juice, and it's right next to the Grace booth, which is where Vanessa and Tina are. There they are, eating already. So I went to them because they were here, and I went to get some food from a Grace. No, Grace on their menu had soup, they had a shrimp pasta, they had this delicious fish thing that was crispy fish. They also had hummus, jerk hummus, and other things. So this is me showing you what I got, which was the shrimp and the fish, and then I'm gonna try. Okay, I'm definitely enjoying my meal, so kudos to the chef. Delicioso.
How is it?
Good. Alright guys, it's time to check out some other booths. Let's go.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, babe.
No, guys, I had to pause this. $200 for water? $200.
Okay. So then you have your own base. Yeah. I think you guys need to come up with a chocolate caramel. See you guys at the market. We have cheesy caramel. I'm trying to savory and thank you. And salty. Also sampling our chia seed drink.
You don't mind if I give you the virgin first?
No, no problem.
I don't want you to get the taste. So this is virgin, and I will punch up the cocktail after. Are we having a special on them today?
What you proving?
Oh, what were you?
Yeah, we have flavor that we have papaya, banana and chocolate.
First thing in the morning, when I wake up.
Not really. Oh no, lighting.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you
I know, right? Oh, wait. Hi, Shana K living, guys. Alright, guys, so it's Vanessa with her branded shirt and her branded bag. What's new on the menu?
So how do you do? It's good to be over this channel, on this channel. You know the good things that matter on this channel. So if you don't like up Nella video, be sure to comment more than once and if you don't subscribe, don't want to come over there. So please subscribe. Alright?
Hi, Janelle.
I've been there since like 4 o'clock. I've been here for $1,000. We also have a Bahama Mama, a planter sponge, and a Rumble for $500.
I can see. You can see. I know. Hi, how are you doing?
Good. It's been so great being here. My feet hurt, the food is good, and I love it.
I let some oil in my life. I pray. I let some oil in my life. Keep it.